As you probably know, Nano Banana AI from Gemini is well known for powerful AI image generator and photo editing. That's why in today's video I'm gonna show you an easy and effective workflow to enhance your 3D renders. In my case, I'll be using it for product visualization, so let's get started. First, I found an image for inspiration. This helped me define the scene I wanted to achieve, then I jumped directly into Blender. I imported a pre-made barrel from Blender Kit and the wine bottle I had used in a previous project. I simply updated the label to match the current product. Then I added a pre-made glass of wine. Since our goal is just a final image, there is no point in modeling everything from scratch, if it's already available, right? I arranged all the assets in the scene to match my ideas. Now let's talk about background. Here is where the easy and fun part begins, AI image generation. If your product is the focus and you only need a static background, you can easily generate one. I use Gemini AI, which is totally free, link below. After a few generations I found one that I liked, but remember, even if it's free, you have a daily limit of generations, so use it wisely. I imported the AI generated image as a background and adjust the camera perspective in Blender to match it. Sometimes I use the image as a camera background and combine them later. Next, lighting, which is the most important part for setting the mood. Yes, you can rely on AI to light your product, but this limits your control. Doing it in Blender gives you more freedom to adjust lighting exactly how you want and to rotate product freely. I use the light wrangle add-on and set up a 4 lighting system: key light, fill light and rim light to separate the product from the background. I went with a warm tone to match the generated background style. Once the lighting looked right, I jumped into the shader editor and added some post-processing lens distortion, glare and grain to give the render a more cinematic look. Now it's time for Nano Banana to shine. I imported the render into Photoshop. I used the beta version, but this feature should be now available in the standard version. I decided to add some grapes to enhance the scene. I made a selection where I wanted them, selected Gemini 2.5 Nano Banana and started generating. I did about 5 to 7 generation until I got what I had in mind. Keep in mind you need a Photoshop subscription and each generation costs credits. You can check your balance in your Adobe account. After that I did a color correction. What is really nice is that Nano Banana can generate additions without changing the existing background or lighting, which makes everything look seamless. And that's my workflow for integrating AI with 3D renders. I use this method often, especially for early concept or when I don't need to build a full 3D scene. That's it for today. Keep creating awesome stuff and peace!